I had a few miscellaneous questions come in that just need short answers, so those are both gonna go in this video. So the first one was just when writing half reactions, do you write it in the simplest form or after you've equalized the electrons? And either way is fine with me. It doesn't matter. They're both considered balanced as a half reaction. So whichever way you want is fine. You'll get full credit. And the next one, can we go over why oxidation and reduction happen at the cathode and the anode? Are the terms just assigned? Yes, they're just assigned. That is the definition of the anode and cathode. That the anode is wherever oxidation happens, the cathode is wherever reduction happens. And then in the electrolysis of water, what determines which side becomes the cathode and the anode? And that's based on the direction that the current is flowing. Remember that in an electrolysis setup, you're putting in an external source of energy in order to force the disfavored reaction to occur. So it's essentially whichever way you hook up the electric current. That if you think about powering it with a battery, you know how a battery has a positive and negative end. That dictates which way the current is flowing in the system. And that's why you always need to put a battery in a particular way. So that the current flows in the right direction through the circuit, so that the anode and cathode are where they're supposed to be in a particular device that's designed to function with them in a particular way. So in an electrolysis setup, it's just whichever way that battery is inserted, if you're thinking about it being on battery power, but whichever way the current is flowing.